TPS Miner here. Welcome back to the TPS Miner channel. Today I just want to give a quick update on the mining garage. We're going to open a little bit of mail and we are going to talk about some upcoming content for the channel. So you can see here we've cleared out quite a bit of space in the garage over here in the corner. Started moving my things out here so I can move my studio out here. I am a little concerned with doing videos out here or making videos because of the sound from the mining rigs. So I'm thinking about trying to put some sort of a barrier in between the studio and the mining rigs to do some noise dampening. Not sure if this is going to work out, so we'll have to see. I do have got some curtains up. I noticed I had a delivery show up here yesterday. I was sitting out here working at the computer and the delivery driver looked in the window and I thought, don't really think I want strangers walking by seeing all this in here. So, got some curtains put up. I do plan on using this window here. This will be for ventilation for my air intake into the garage. I want to put a fine mesh screen in here so that way all the air coming in, try and filter out as much dust as possible. And then I'm going to be installing an exhaust fan in this window to blow out the hot air. So we'll see how it works. It's winter time right now, so it's not a big deal. But as we get into the summer months, it's going to really matter. So I want to try and get this solved as quickly as possible. Okay, so you see I've got a fan sitting here. I have this thing sitting here. It's turned off right now, but I had a fan die in my Asus 1660 Super. So I do plan on doing a video of replacing that fan. I have never done a fan replacement personally, so it'll be my first time, and I figure why not do it on video and share it with all of you. So we'll see how that goes. When I'm doing that, I am obviously going to be pulling this 1660 Super out to do the work. I am also going to take this one out. I'm going to take both of these from the Vader rig. I'm going to move them over into the Skywalker rig. I've already got one 1660 Super in here and 3 of my 1060s. So I'm going to do the 3 1060s and the 3 1660 Supers. We'll fill out this rig and we're clearing out space in Vader because I bought a new card last night. So it'll be shipping the next few days, hopefully have it within a week, and we're going to replace, use the space here from these two cards to put our new card in. Again, I'll do a video of that install, the unboxing and install once we get that card. And I did go ahead also, because I am going to start using this test bench for some video editing, I did throw a 1030 into this rig. So I use this now. You see I've got an HDMI in this guy. So I can use this for my video and still let this guy mine. So this is my 1050 Ti that's mining BrandonCoin. Do have some plans for the test bench. Again, I'll be doing a video on that in the coming days, so stay tuned for that. I am also going to be replacing this hard drive. This thing vibrates and makes so much noise. I put it on a cork hot pad to try and keep the vibration to a minimum. This was fine when I wasn't using this for anything and it was sitting in my garage. Now that I'm using it, it's a pain in the rear end, so I will be replacing this. Okay, let's go ahead and pull up a chair and let's open some mail. All right, so I did cut this envelope open because I didn't want to try and do it on camera, but I have not looked at this yet. This is awesome. So this is the Teaspoon Miner, the official Teaspoon Miner sticker. Teaspoon Miner, cryptocurrency by the teaspoon. Dude, this is awesome. This sticker is sweet. This is super high quality. It's a vinyl sticker. Thank you so much, Teaspoon. I appreciate you sending me this. This is fantastic. I do have a lot of space. This is going to become my sticker wall. And Teaspoon, you are going to be the first sticker on the wall. Thank you very much for this. I really, really do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and pop on the computer. I did pull up the Teaspoon Miner YouTube channel. If you have not checked him out, please go do it. Teaspoon Miner, cryptocurrency by the teaspoon. This guy's awesome. Go ahead, subscribe to his channel. Let's push him over 1,000 subscribers. So you've got 2 opportunities every week to go and check out Teaspoon and hang with him. Tuesday nights between 9:30 and 10 p.m. Eastern, roughly, he starts a live stream. Awesome time, just chill, relax, got some music going, he's answering all your questions. Great opportunity to hang out with him and all of his friends. And every Saturday night, so you see here, Teaspoon Miner was one of the founding members of Misfit Mining. So Saturday nights, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, ChumpChangeXD, TekShinji, Teaspoon Miner, and a bunch of other miners get together. They do a live stream, Q&A, an AMA session. Just a great time to hang out, watch all these guys, and learn from them. Excellent live stream. Go ahead and while you're at it, go over to the Misfit Mining Discord channel, sign up. That Discord channel is a phenomenal resource for information, a great place to hang out. Whether you're a new miner or somebody that's been around for a really long time, there's always something to learn over there. So please go ahead and check them out. Okay, the next thing. So again, I opened up Teaspoon Miner's sticker, and I wanted to share also my own sticker. So thanks to Teaspoon, he sent me to a place called stickermule.com. and I was able to get my own sticker made. So my logo I got from the help of ChumpChangeXD. So he put a video together on how to make your own logo. I'm going to go ahead and link that video in my description below. And yeah, so I went ahead and got my own stickers made. Again, same quality. These are super high quality vinyl stickers. So if you would like a TPS Miner sticker, hit me up on Discord, TPS Miner, and give me your info and I'll go ahead and get a sticker sent out to you. I'm also going to put a link in the description below to the Sticker Mule website with a discount code. If you use that code, you will get $10 off of your order. And full disclosure, if you do use that discount code, I will also get a $10 credit to the store, so I can buy more of these stickers as well. So please go ahead and check it out. Again, check out Teaspoon Miner. Please subscribe to his channel. ChumpChangeXD, TekShinji. Go ahead and check those guys out while you're at it. And go ahead and hop onto these live streams. Tuesdays with Teaspoon and the Misfit Mining Saturday evening session. So again, Tuesdays with Teaspoon, between 9:30 and 10 p.m. Eastern is when it starts, and Misfit Mining is going to go ahead and get started around 9:30 p.m. Eastern on Saturdays. All right, well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a like and consider subscribing to the channel. We've got a lot of great content coming up. If you want a sticker, hit me up on Discord and I'll get one sent out to you. All right, thanks again. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and look forward to seeing you again soon.